can't make that.
Okay, now try and shoot it. Instead of slam dunking it, just shoot it.
Wait, a normal dunk is easy.
Oh, okay. Well, just shoot it, honey. Okay, shoot it now. Come over here near me and shoot it. See if you can get it in.
Okay.
Oh!
I made it.
Okay, so this basketball hoop has been so much fun for my kid. He has been loving it, has always been asking for one, and the assembly on this one was very easy. So the rim itself came assembled on this. I just had to put the net on it, and then the two hooks on the back here. So I love that you can just screw those in, and you can move this about anywhere you want to. So we can put it here, we can put it on the back of his door. This even folds up, and we can take it with us on the go if we wanted to too. So that's really cool. Take it with you from room to room. So that goes there. It also comes with 3 basketballs, and then it also comes with the pump and then a needle here and then an extra needle there. So that's really easy to put together. Also came with these 4 padded pieces here if you were going to stick it onto the wall, or if you, for padding on the back of it so it doesn't scratch anything too. Also came with this little screwdriver here to put on the hooks on the back. So everything that you need is in this kit. So much fun. This was sent to me by the brand. Thank you so much.